Hi, I am Dr. Arsalan. There are two types of respiration. First one is aerobic and other is anaerobic. The respiration which occurs in the presence of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration, or the respiration in which atmospheric oxygen is available and the glucose molecule is completely oxidized in the presence of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. The net reaction is glucose when it is reacted with oxygen molecule in the presence of enzymatic steps. The carbon and oxygen yields carbon dioxide, hydrogen and oxygen gives water with the result of 36 ATPs. This aerobic respiration is completed in four steps or four phases. The first one is glycolysis, second one is pyruvate oxidation, third step is Krebs cycle, and fourth step is electron transport chain. Second step of aerobic respiration is pyruvate oxidation. As we have seen that glycolysis produces two pyruvate molecules. The pyruvate molecule before entering the Krebs cycle undergoes two changes. The first one is it is oxidized. The second, it enters from the cytosol of the cell to the mitochondria. Entering the mitochondria, the pyruvate molecule consumes an ATP. As there are two molecules, so two ATPs will be consumed and the pyruvate molecule will enter from cytosol of the cell into the mitochondria. This is called active transport because pyruvate is using energy in the form of ATPs to enter the mitochondria from cytosol of the cell. The oxidation of pyruvate is completed in three substeps: the decarboxylation, oxidation, and addition of coenzyme A. Firstly, the pyruvate molecule, after entering the mitochondria, it is subjected to decarboxylation by the loss of carbon dioxide molecule and synthesis of acetaldehyde. The second is oxidation. The hydrogen ion is removed from this acetaldehyde. This hydrogen is used in reduction of NAD molecule into NADH. The acetaldehyde molecule is converted into acetyl group. Third step is addition of coenzyme A. To this acetyl group, coenzyme A is added, forming acetyl coenzyme A molecule. This is the molecule which enters the Krebs cycle. Acetyl coenzyme A, this is 2 carbon molecule to which coenzyme A is attached. As this step or these reactions are linking the glycolysis pathway to Krebs cycle, therefore it is called linked reaction.